half a mile from the county fair.
All right, we've got ourselves an Airstream with air conditioner up on top. Can't quite pop it in, so we're gonna demo out the garage here and add 2 feet to it.
They're getting wet with our backs against the fence.
Okay, so we are done with dismantling the spring motor, and we have now demoed the drywall up above. We're gonna take off this plywood and see what we've got behind there as far as a beam header height. We're gonna undo. Okay, we removed the drywall, plywood behind, and we are getting ready to raise this garage header.
My soul. Stone Beach just like going home, yet it's lonely. And the rain let up and the sun came up and we were getting dry.
All right, we are gonna use a Sawzall to cut the nails off the vertical studs there, and then we can pull out the horizontal bond. About 3 inches out of the, I had to drill a hole all the way through to get the Sawzall blade in to finish off the cut where the skill saw couldn't get it.
Oh, the water, oh, the water. Let it run.
Okay, we got the rotted wood scraped out, patched, and multiple screws and nails to structurally get it sound, so we're ready to go for some stucco patch.
Stone me to my soul. Stone me just like